Hi, I'm Gavin from Alpine Nurseries in Sydney. We're a trademark within a wholesale nursery that sells to landscapers. Selling a living product comes with many challenges, and the choice of pesticides we use to control pest diseases and weeds is very important. We try and minimise our ecological footprint in everything we do, which leads to a safer workplace and a much better product for our customers. With so many questions circulating about the safety of some herbicides, we choose Slasher Organic Weedkiller for use in some of the high-risk areas like high runoff zones of the nursery. Slasher ticked all the boxes for us because it is safe and natural and very quick acting. It kills weeds in under 1 hour dead to the ground. We love using it around the trade area because of its fast action and zero residues, making it very safe around our customers.